There he goes, navigating the difficult level of this rock climbing area here in Sagada. Oh, he's white, by the way. He's not a Filipino, and he's a male. Oh, kita mo, kumontrol sa paa niya yung kamay niya. My goodness. Lakas ng kamay, oh. Very strong arm. It's only the arm that's holding him a while ago. Wow.